Hey, I'm gonna play on the rain. It's like thunderstorming. So, it's like these creeks right here. It's like fun. Okay, let's go just slow for now. Because we'll fall down for this. And then, if I go right here, it's something that's trying to make a trail. Where it's like going right there. And it trails right here. It gives the trail right here. And then, so remember, please subscribe, like this video, turn on notifications, and comment, because it's just thunderstorming outside, and yeah, so we're going to, so it's like it's getting a little bit warmer, but not this time, but it's trying to make mountains or something, but it's not mountains, just water of a wave. And then we're gonna do the fourth video with my friend winning pizza. We might do it in our next video. If you want to see my friend winning pizza, yeah, my friend is winning. So my friend's name is Winning Pizza. So, and then we're gonna play here. I'm just gonna get myself wet. I'm a little bit scared of the thunderstorm, but if it's loud, we're gonna end this video. Wow. You know, I think, or if I see a lightning, we need to end this video, or that. If it's a one more thunderstorm, we're gonna end this video. So it's just one. And then just lay. Hey. Oh, it's something on me. I think just the rain just stopped because I want to make a video of this. So fourth video, that's the next video. My friend winning pizza. If you know my friend winning pizza, just like next video, I'll put the link in the description. So that is, and I'll see you in 5 minutes. Okay, I was distracted with something, and then it's like river. It's like a river. So like the next video, like we're gonna show the creek of this video. Okay, so that's a lot about this video, and please subscribe, like this video, turn on notifications, comment down below how do you feel about this video, and then keep watching this video. If you just play on rain and thunderstorm. But just don't try this at home. But if your mom allows you, you can. Only with your umbrella. Oh, my phone just fell. And then we're going to see, yeah. So, see you in the next video. Bye!